Hi guys, Ronda Winstead here, aka Ronda without an H. It is good to be back with you guys. I love being here with you. I'm going to see if I can get maybe more than one video done. We will see. I'm feeling pretty good, so we'll see how far it goes. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I really do. I hope that you're being blessed and strengthened in your trials and that you're having amazing love of family and friends and just doing things that you love to do, for sure. Okay, so this is a catch-up on my bullet journal of July. It's already August. I'm late on getting this posted, but I just, I've the cancer's kind of kicking my butt, guys. I've been really tired, and so I haven't been able to get on here with any energy at all. So, as we left off, I just viewed a little bit of my video saying that I was going to have to go to Hobby Lobby, right? And I did, of course, and I bought some more Tim Holtz people, and this is what I ended up doing here, and I think she just works really well. Just kind of cute. Okay, now, August. I actually loved what Barbara with 49 Dragonflies, I'm one of her design team members, and I just copied her. Barb, I just copied you, hon. She did a set for August with her bullet journal, and it's titled Savannah. Oh, excuse me, just a minute. Water. And I loved it so much. It's just like, you know what? This is it. I'm going to do this. So that is what I have done. And I must apologize to you ahead of time. It took me a little while to do the August spread because of that crazy old cancer stuff going on. So I would work a little bit and then I would go lie down. And I would maybe take a nap or just lay there for a while, and I would get up and I would come in my studio and I'd work a little bit and I'd go lie down. And it's been really, it's been kind of frustrating, in all honesty, you guys. But, it is what it is, right? It's my reality right now, and I am finding that my creating, my art, my the Lord is just blessing me with that, because without it, I think I would not be terribly cheerful. So look at this, you guys. I'm so excited. So I have my own map, but Barb has, and I'll put the links, below so that you can go directly to all her goodies in her shop. But she has some freebies there for you too, so you can do it totally inexpensively, or you can add and embellish as you would like, obviously. But I have had my own calendar that I've been using on my weekly and also on my monthly. And so I'm continuing through with that to keep my book consistent. And I love Barb's work. So this one was just so much fun. I've not done, like African safari kind of cool. And I just think it's perfect for August, right? What do we think? What do we do in August? Well, it's getting really hot and kids are kind of getting ready to go back to school. They may be a little bit bored. You're finishing up family vacations. But yeah, I think the idea of going on an African safari was just delightful for me. So this is what I have done. And now, for those of you that are new to my channel, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. And I have a playlist that has all of my bullet journals there that you can go back and you can go from when I started. But for this year, 2021, one of the things that I wanted to highlight was using washi tape. That was one thing. And the second thing that I was wanting to do was to use stamps, because I haven't always used those a lot. So here's my washi tape around. And I do apologize ahead of time, my darling, my wonderful subscribers and those of you that are just perusing through. I usually do a page or something with you together, but as I mentioned earlier, this was just, I was grateful to get it done, and it just didn't happen in a cohesive way to where I could have you join me. But I hope you'll be able to look at it and see the elements so that you can go ahead and do your own version. So I have used, I will share this with you. I have some old feed sack fabric, and I have just taken pieces of it. I've ripped it, obviously. Look at that. Isn't that delicious? This is old grunge, and it's clean. It's been washed, and I've just ripped, and then I have stitched around to give another textural element. And so that's one thing that I decided to also play with in this spread. And you'll see it as a background here. And I also happen to have a book of stamps, collector stamps, that I bought in an antique store several years ago and have not really used many of them. But it had some safari type stamps. And so I pulled them out. It's like, hello. So this was perfect to add a bit more color to this spread. So anyway, okay, continuing on. So this time, instead of putting down a little piece of paper on top of the background, I just left the backgrounds that were created. I thought they were beautiful. I thought Barb did an amazing job, and I used them as they were. And so that's what I'm doing, is writing my grateful week. And she has, you just have to go look, and I will put the links. You just have to look and take a peek. You'll love it. But I've been doing grateful week. She has gratitude, which is the same thing, just this is what I've been doing. So I continued with that. And then my printables, I'm putting it on one side. Now I made them smaller for this month so that a lot of this out around the edge would show, and I forgot to print them smaller. I think I like the smaller ones better because it gives me a little bit more decorating room, but I'm okay with these. And you guys, I just had fun. Here's washi tape, here's stamps, here's a strip of that wonderful feed sack fabric, another little feed sack, the stamps. These are embellishments that Barb has that you can get. These are backgrounds. And I just thought it was kind of a fun play to do the lighter version. You can absolutely write here and then put, the image darker that pops out a little bit more. And then here's the same with the zebra. Anyway, okay. So, turning the page, we continue on. Washi tape, washi tape, washi tape. This time we're highlighting a few different animals here. You've got the elephant, and I love the addition of these stamps that I've had and wondered what will I ever do with them. I'm so excited. So, and here again we've got, and I put Grateful Week wrote it in a marking pen on this particular one with the feed sack and frayed a bunch of it. So it gives that effect. And then you've just got these wonderful images. Oh, you guys, this was super, super fun. I hope you'll give it a go. I really do. The bullet journal, for me, honestly, what I do mostly with my bullet journal is it reminds me to say my prayers and have my scriptures every day. And that's why I went ahead and started printing those so that I didn't have to write them. You know, it's like, oh. And so I just check it. I just mark it off. But I also put like other little appointments and different things that I have going on, just a small little blip. And then the things that I'm grateful for. I think that's important to always, show gratitude, things that you're grateful for. I just think that the Lord blesses us so much. It's just nice to acknowledge that He does. So, okay. And then my last page of August and moving into September here, this is where this will start. And I did a lot of, fussy cutting. And I just used all of her goodies, a lot of her goodies, and just added a little bit here and there of my own with my stamps and such. And I'm just completely happy. Just really, really happy with this one. So that is, I know this is a short video. I'm going to see if I can do another one here shortly, but I wanted to get on the bullet journal to show you guys I'm still working on it, and I hope you're still working on yours. Don't give up, just do it. Do something. It's just a fun record. It's just a fun little thing to look back through when you're done. And as we can see, I've been taking out 8 to 10 pages, something in that neighborhood when I'm gluing the pages together. And so that's August, September, October, November, December, 4 more months. It might be tricky. I'll see. The other half of the book might be just a little bit fewer pages taken out. I need to plan that out. But anyway, that is it for this video, you guys. I love you. I hope that you are having an amazing day. And until next video, guys, have a fabulous day. Bye-bye now.